In this video, we are reviewing how to write a rule when given a line on a graph. So remember that whenever you're writing a rule for a line, the equation we use is y equals mx plus b. And remember that m represents the growth, and then b represents figure 0, or the y-intercept. So looking at A, we have our line, and they gave us 2 points here. So let's see, so let me write y equals mx plus b down here. Okay, so first thing is that I can see that my figure 0 is -2 right here because that's where the graph crosses the y-axis. So my b is -2. And then for my growth, I'm going to draw a growth triangle. Oops. Okay, so remember, when you're looking for your growth triangle, you're looking at the growth from like figure 0 to figure 1 and then 1 to 2. So I can see here that when I go over 1, I go from figure 0 to figure 1, then I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so I know that my growth is 5, so that will go right here in my equation. So my final equation is y equals 5x minus 2. So again, I found the figure 0, or the y-intercept, and then after I found how much it was growing. All right, so for B, it looks like they didn't give us points like they did on A. So to identify the points, I always just look at where the line perfectly crosses, like in the corner. So like right here, here's a point because it perfectly goes right through that point right there. And then here's another point right here, and another one. I could just keep going. Okay, so again, I have y equals mx plus b. And again, I'm just going to identify the growth and figure 0. All right, so looking at the graph, right here is my figure 0, because that's where it crosses the y-axis. And again, in figure 0, I can go up and see that there's 5 tiles. So that's my b out here. And then for the growth, let me draw my growth triangle again. So again, I went over 1 from figure 0 to figure 1, and this time I can see that it's going down 2, so my growth is -2. So in my equation, it'll be -2, because that's my growth, and then x plus 5. So again, you always want to identify figure 0 and the growth, and then write your equation.